Ottoman roof, we think it's called, next to Alice, next to Books and Coffee. In this video, come with us as we went to Marmaris Old Town on the taxi boat. You got me feeling good, right about your side. Lost in every move. It was another stunning day at the Marmaris Bay Resort Hotel, and we decided we were going to make the absolute best of it. So we're going to set up the pool today, so we're coming to decide where we want to sit. Then we're going for a nice gym session because it's a pretty good gym. Look at this beautiful day. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're going back now to get changed, to get the taxi boat across to Marmaris. Costs €15 return per person. And there's an amazing marina over there we're going to show you. Okay, so we're ready to go and get the boat now. Just had a really quick shower. So it goes at 3 different times a day at the moment. Obviously check details. But we are leaving on the 4 o'clock boat. It only takes 15 minutes or so to get across there to the marina, Marmaris Marina. And in case I didn't say euros, it's €15 each for a return. So we're going to be over there for about 3 hours, and then we're going to get back. And we'll come and have our dinner here, but we're going to probably stop and get a drink and just have a wander, have a look at the shops. So it should be really good. The weather is outstanding. So the way to get the taxi boat, in case you don't know and you're interested to know, just come down here to the jetty, which is also where you can get the cabanas. The boat's just there. It says water taxi. And you would just pay the man when we get on there with cash. Oh, look, there's someone on a paraglider. Oh, no. Oh, it wouldn't be for me. No thanks. Up and down, let's do it all night. We're never getting sober, never getting sober. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's fall in love, backtrack and do it over. So we've just got off the boat. This is the marina, Marmaris. We're going to have a little look around these shops. I remember a long time ago, Jazz and I took some pictures. But there's quite a lot of shops, quite a lot of designer shops here you can see as well. There used to be a Starbucks down here. Oh, there is, just around the corner there. So we've got off the boat and we've turned right, but you can also turn left, so we will be going that way as well. So we'll show you around, and if there's anything interesting that we think you might want to know, we'll show you that. So yeah, got Starbucks down here and a dog. Some really lovely looking shops. So some time ago, I don't know if you would have seen this vlog, Jasmine and I came down here and took some pictures of, there was like a rainbow umbrella street thing. I don't know if that's certain times of the year or whatnot, and we took loads of pictures of Jasmine on these stairs. If you're taking some, show me them. Let me see them. I don't know if, should we have an explore down there? Is there anything down there, do you think? Should we see? Let's have a look, let's go and have a look. So Nathan spotted an orange tree above us here. If you can see, you've got green ones here, look, that are not ready. Oh, this tree is absolutely full of them. That's amazing.
I never knew until the day that I met you.
So this is a very blistery heat day, and I would suggest if you're coming, make sure you get sun cream on if you're coming daytime. There's not a load of shade here unless we're going to sit and have something to eat, which we will at some stage. Very pretty. It's also nice, comes really alive in the evening time here as well. So there's all restaurants along here that they'll try and entice you into, and you just carry on, just be polite, because you know they're just trying to get a bit of business. But that looks quite Grecian there. some of these as well, I don't know if it's still the same, but they used to have a bit of dancing of a night time. And I think it's quite common when you have a drink that they bring you some snacks like nuts and things. So there's literally loads to choose from. And then you've got all these incredible, look, that's got a jet ski on the back of that yacht. Crazy. So we've just found the prettiest little like back street. I'm going to show you. Look how gorgeous this is. Got all the bougainvillea there. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Love that. Okay, so this is where you get the opportunity to look at all these incredible boats. I mean, look at all the wood on there, and I think you can probably charter these from somewhere. I'm not sure where, and obviously some are private. I don't know the story behind them, but they're so interesting to look at. I think even if you're not particularly into boats, it's quite a thing to see. So we've got all the marina there. To the right of us, we've got all the sort of places you could want to eat and drink and sit out and have a little look. So you can walk out here for about probably 15 minutes or so, and then there's some more sort of high street type of shops right at the end. Okay, we've just come down this little siding road bit. There's all sorts of things here to see. Like you've got your Champions League, and we are in the shade now because, as you can tell from my face, very hot. It's definitely worth a look down here, I think. I did manage to find some creams, so that was about £7 in the pharmacy. We're going to get that on the way back. And there's a Turkish delight shop. Look, Nathan. Now, how incredible. How clever do they make it look? Really, really pretty. What was it? A selfie mirror? Should we do that? I think we should. Here we go. So we're just about a big walk down here to try and find a bar to have. And hello.
How are you? Nice to see you.
Good, thank you.
Apologize. Would you like to discover my selection?
Whatever that means. So yeah, we've seen somewhere we fancy down here. But he was quite cheeky, but we're going to carry on. So we're pretty sure that we've chosen. We're going to go up onto that amazing rooftop, Ottoman roof, we think it's called, next to Alice, next to Books and Coffee, which Books and Coffee's kind of calling me, but I fancy sitting up there in the shade. Might be a little bit of breeze, Nathan. And we are very hot, but it's beautiful weather. Absolutely stunning. Okay, this place looks incredible. I'm going to guess it might be slightly more expensive than some of the others, but we're going up here to the second floor. Smells a bit like Hollister, maybe. So this is an absolutely lovely washroom. It's got really nice smelling things in here. So yeah, it does look like a really nice place to come, and I am very hot, so very appreciative of that cold water. Whew. So this is a gorgeous location, real prime real estate they call it, don't they? So we're right looking over the harbour of the marina. We're under a nice bit of shade and it's gorgeous. Look at that blue sky. However, that is reflected in the prices, as you would expect. So we're paying about £4 for a Coke Zero, which is boringly what I'm going to order.
Sun, stars and moon, all feeling brighter, breath feeling new. Do what you do. You took my days, filled them with light. Now I can say, baby, it's our time.
We had a lovely drink in that place. It was so nice. And look at this golden hour weather we've got behind us now. So our boat's just over there. We're about to go get on it and go back to our hotel. Very excited for our dinner and the evening entertainment ahead, because it's just such a cool place to be. But this was definitely worth a visit, definitely worth a look. Gorgeous.
It's a time together. It's a time together. I'm gonna make it through any weather. Just close your eyes, tell me your dreams, all that's inside, all that you need. Hope for a future, beautiful view. Show me the new. 'Cause when a time, it's a time together. It's a time together. Gonna make it through any weather. It's a time together. It's a time together. It's a time together. Gonna make it through any weather. It's a time together.
I'm just talking to my camera.